guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. We love all the new people. So today I'm going to be doing just like a quick little room tour. We're going to disregard my pink wall. It is, I've talked about it like 5 times. I absolutely despise it. We're trying to paint it, but it's like a whole process because it's magenta. Anyways, I'm going to do a room tour. I'll tell you where everything's from. Some of it I don't think I'm going to be able to like link down below, but I will try. But yeah, let's just get into it. I don't want to talk too much because then I'll talk forever. But if you like me and you like my video, then hit that thumbs up and subscribe. You know you want to. I want you to. You know you want to, so just do it. I'm just kidding. No, please. I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so my room is quite dark because of that pink wall, so I'm sorry for the lighting. I'm gonna try to fix it, but if not... Okay, this is like my dresser slash like little beauty area, so I'm gonna show you all that first. So the first thing on my wall is this little like metal wreath, is that how you say it? Wreath. And it is from Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure they still have it, so you can check it out there. And then I just have like a little jumble of stuff here. This plant is from IKEA. And I just have like the stuff I use every day. I have some earrings. And then I got this from Target recently from the like dollar section. And it was like $3. Like that is a cute vase for $3. And then right here is like where I get ready every morning. So I have like a bunch of my stuff. So I just have a chair here and I just put my bags on it because it's super easy. And then this is where I do my makeup. I just have it all organized right there. I believe this organizer is from At Home. I'm not sure. And then my mom got me this for Christmas, but I think she maybe got it at like Target or something like that. And then I just have these little jars, and these jars right here are from Walmart. So super cute. Oh, you can see me. Ooh. So this is like my little corner where I take my selfies in my mirror, and the mirror is from IKEA. I can try to find it. The names from IKEA are so hard to say, so I couldn't even pronounce it even if I knew the name, but I will try to link it down below if I can find it. But here I just have this macrame, and I actually made that. That's pretty impressive. Like, I'm funny and crafty. Oh, I'm just kidding. But I actually made this, and then I glued the flowers onto the dowel. I don't know if y'all would want to see me make something like that, but I'm pretty crafty if I have to say so myself. But these two, they're actually so affordable. So I actually just printed out these pictures from Pinterest, and then these frames are from Walmart, and they were only like $2 or $3. So like that whole project cost me like under $5, and I just like looked up like aesthetic prints from on Pinterest, and that's what popped up, and I think it's pretty cute. Here's my hideous pink wall. Ooh, focus. Okay, so right here is like my other dresser, like my drawers. So this, okay, I'm back. I just needed to close the window. So this is from Hobby Lobby as well, and it came framed and everything, and it was super inexpensive. Hobby Lobby has the most like inexpensive stuff. And then this little thing is from Target. It's Opal House brand. I love Opal House. And then inside of it, I have an Opal House candle. I have some sunglasses and things like that. And then I have my volcano. This is the Capri Blue volcano spray, and it smells just like the candle, and it literally makes your room smell so good. Then I have a couple of my favorite books. These are so good. Let me tell you what they are. So one is Stay With Me, and then one is Life Next Door. And my boyfriend read my Life Next Door, and he loved it, so must be good. And then this vase is from IKEA. It was also super inexpensive, maybe $8. And then these two like tropical leaves, if I could fix them, they are from Hobby Lobby, and they were also super inexpensive. And then here, this wall like is really long. I don't know why. I picked the longest wall to paint pink when I was 8, but it happened. So that like little wreath is from Target, and it is Opal House as well. So This is my bed. I don't think I'll get questions about furniture, but all of this furniture is from Haverty's and we got it a while back, but it's just like a really pretty dark brown wood. So yeah. So as for bedding, this is from IKEA, this blanket. And then this is actually a duvet, and the duvet is from Opal House, as well as the throw pillow. I want to get more throw pillows, but I haven't found like some that look good with this rose color. So then over here I have another IKEA furniture piece. It's just like a little side table. It's where I keep like all my electronics and stuff like that. So let's go this way. As for prints, these both are from Desenio. I want to frame them, but they're the most like weird sizes, I guess, because Desenio is like not a United States brand. Their dimensions are a little bit different, so I have not been able to find frames for them, so they're just hanging. Also, they like the dimensions, I don't think they sent me the right ones because I ordered way bigger ones and they were so expensive, and I got those. But Desenio, they like do DHgate instead of like UPS or something. Yeah, is it DHgate? I don't know. It's like some type of delivery service that's not UPS, so it's really hard to like return stuff through it, but yeah. And then the middle one is from Hobby Lobby. And then the little floral arrangement on top is it's the same exact floral arrangement as the wreath. And it is Opal House from Target. And then the last thing I have to show you is just like my laundry basket. It's from TJ Maxx. But yeah, I think we'll do like a little pan. Ooh, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I know that was super fast, but my room here is not very big and I don't have like many decorations in it because most of the time I'm at college, but I love my apartment at college, so definitely subscribe so that when I go back to college I can do a room tour of that, because oh my gosh, I take so much pride in the decorations there. Like, I've made some of them, they're pretty cool, and I have some like tips and tricks for that kind of stuff, so I would love to do a video when I get back to college in August on all of that stuff. So yeah, this was a quick video. I tried not to talk too much, probably still talked a lot, but that's okay. So just like and subscribe, comment for some more video ideas or what you want to see from me, and I will see you on next video. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.